Second gear will take you so far, but then you need to go into third gear. And third gear, you move from training volunteers to training leaders. So the fact of the matter is, even in second gear, there's only so many volunteers you can personally train. There's only so many volunteers you can personally recruit. There's only so many volunteers you can personally manage. You will eventually run out of time again. So once again, from second gear into third gear, you need to radically change how you're spending your time, radically change how you're doing your job. Now you're training others how to recruit people. Now you're training others how to train people. Now you're training others how to manage people. Now, the best way we've seen how to do this, run in this gear, is the creation of a volunteer staff team. You may not have enough money to have a paid staff team, but you can have volunteer staff. Now, volunteer staff, obviously they're not getting paid, but they, like a staff member, they have responsibility and they have authority to get things done, and you treat them as if they were getting paid. So you're having staff meetings and you're having one-on-one meetings. Now, because they're volunteers and they have limited time, it's going to be once a month, not once a week staff meetings, and once a month one-on-one meetings, not once a week one-on-one meetings, but you're going to be investing in them. And you're learning another skill set, how to give someone objectives-based responsibility rather than task-based responsibility, how to give them the correct measure of authority, and how to paint the lines on where their authority begins and where it ends. How to build effective accountability systems that aren't overbearing, but are encouraging and spur them on to excellence. And how to deliver excellent coaching and support so they can thrive in their role and grow in their role. Now, one little thing that we have learned is that this third gear tactic of creating a volunteer staff team, you don't have to wait till you're over 100 to do this. Quite frankly, you can still do this even when you're under 50. Now, when you're doing it on a church under 50, it's like putting a Hemi in a Volkswagen. Wow, you're going to take off fast. So it's going to be a quick ride. But this is a powerful, powerful tool to use, but it's a new skill set to learn how to do that. What you need to do in your own ministry, in your own church, is spend a little bit of time in discernment. What stage are you in right now? Are you stuck in neutral, spinning your tires? Are you stuck in first gear, dance, monkey dance, trying to do all the ministry yourself? Are you stuck in second gear, where I've got a lot of volunteers, but there's only so many volunteers I can manage? Or are you moving into third gear and you're now training leaders who can train leaders? Discerning where you are is the first step. And then moving from there, what are the new skill sets you need to acquire to move forward?